on the other side of our appreciation list, we like to honor people that have really walked the talk of dignity, not only in this work that they do when they come to our conference, but also in their work in the world over a long period of time. Their commitment to this work is really touching to us, and we call those people beacons of dignity. So every year we come up with a list of beacons of dignity. We think that all of you are beacons of dignity, but we're going to name a few people that we've seen step up and stand out all along the way. I know a number of you have already been a beacon of dignity. Just raise your hand. You, yes. Oh, didn't hear that. So here's the people I'd love to have you come forward, please. Ana Strout. Yeah. Ana Strout. Here's Ana Strout. Here's your certificate. Evelyn, come up and you do the hugging. Ana Strout. Let's get a picture of her.
Sorry. Oh, sorry.
We got it? Yes, give her a hand. Thank you. Ana is amazing in the sense that I used to hide from pictures throughout my entire childhood for reasons I don't need to go into. But Ana, somehow she is able to erase all the bad pictures and put up the really fabulous pictures. So she is a treasure to me.